Y'all, good morning. It's early. Let's get up. Let's go and hit this gym. Fit check. I got on my Carrie Underwood outfit. Yes, love these crisscross pants. Yes. So let's go and get this body together. Heart together, mind together, soul together. Let's go. Alright, y'all, I'm at Walmart. I had to make a quick run, get me some oatmeal, protein oatmeal, some lettuce. Remember I said I want to do some eggplant steaks. I'm going to try that either tonight or tomorrow night. Blueberries, strawberries, and some light Greek yogurt, and some agua, water. You know what, y'all? I've heard that this Kodiak oatmeal is good too, because it's high protein. Y'all, I haven't bought any cream of wheat here lately. Should I go and get me a box? Because I am completely out. You know, I'm really intrigued. I might want to try it, but my God, for this small one, it's $2.18. Might as well get the big one. But I like my Quaker, so I'm gonna stick to the rivers and lakes that you used to. And the last thing I need to get is some creamer. So let's grab my creamer. Y'all already know I always get 2 to go. This is my jam. If I gotta have it, this is my jam. That Southern butter pecan. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. Breakfast today is 2 scrambled eggs with a little milk, almond milk, and some blueberries. All right, y'all, here's the last of that maple bourbon bacon chop kit. I'm eating that for lunch today. Yes, and I still, again, these are the almonds. Now, what didn't last on the second salad, it was just a little bitty pieces of bacon bits left. So honestly, I don't know if they just didn't put enough bacon bits in that one, in that package, but nonetheless, so this one's not gonna have bacon in it. It'll just have the rest of the honey almonds, and then here's the rest of that bourbon dressing. So yeah, it really does last for 3 uses. So let me get this in a bowl, and lunchtime is on a roll. Y'all, I have found a new love. Sliced radishes and these jalapeno slices, sweet heat. Y'all, it tastes like bread and butter jalapenos is what it tastes like. So good mixed together. Love, love, love. This is my new favorite snack now. Yes, y'all need to get you some of them. I got to go back to Harris Teeter. I'm going to see if Walmart sells them, because that's the first time I've seen these. So, and it says new, so it may be a new product, but I'm going to see if I can get this in a bigger size. Love, love, love.